Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing strategies to flipping $100 to $3,000 trading margin on CX.io. And in case you're wondering what margin trading is basically the method of trading of assets using funds borrowed from a broker or exchange. This allows traders to open larger positions than their own capital would normally permit, increasing potential profits but also amplifying potential losses. So in a nutshell, margin trading is actually the ability to trade beyond whatever capital you have. Before we dive deeper, I want to take this time to welcome all our returning subscribers and first timers. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification so you get notified anytime I post a new video. After subscribing, do well to drop your name in the comments below so I can officially welcome you to the family. Kindly check the description of this video for a link to our Telegram channel. Join us today for trading tips, free tutorials, crypto trading signals, updates and crypto job opportunities. Before I share the strategy to flipping $100 to $3,000, let me share a quick story with you. Back in the year 2020, during the pandemic, I decided to try trading futures for the very first time, and within 1 month I was able to flip $40 to $400. That is a whooping 1000% profit in just 30 days. And I was so amazed how I was able to achieve this within a very short period of time. And I was like, imagine if I had used like maybe $4,000, that means I would be able to flip it to $40,000 in just 30 days. After a few months, I was able to grow this money to $1,500. And don't forget, I started with $40. So this is the power of margin trading, or maybe futures trading or derivative trading. But along the line, things went south. Guess what happened? I lost everything to the markets. Why did I lose everything? I lost everything not because I didn't know how to trade. No, that wasn't the case. I lost because I wasn't experienced when it comes to trading the derivative market. Trading the derivative market goes beyond buying and selling or longing and shorting. You must master risk management. Trading isn't a game of luck. It's a game of discipline, mastery, and proper risk management. Now, let us go back to the topic of margin trading. In simple terms, margin trading helps you to trade with funds that you don't have, but you need to have what is considered as a collateral. This collateral is what enables you to be able to trade with funds that you don't have. It helps you amplify your trading capital. For instance, with $100, you can use leverage from 2x to 10x on CX.io. If you choose 5x, your $100 will effectively become $500 after paying a little fee. If you use 10x leverage, which is actually the maximum leverage on CX.io at the time of making this video, your $100 will effectively become $1,000. However, just as leverage amplifies your profit, it also amplifies your loss. If a trade goes against you, let's say you buy a coin and after you've initiated the trade, the price of the coin starts dropping, your profit is also going to be in multiples of the amount of leverage you are using for that particular trade. And in the worst case scenario, you risk liquidation, meaning the funds you use in the trade will be completely wiped out. Currently, CX only offers isolated margin trading. If you have traded futures on other crypto platforms, you should be able to understand the difference between the two. At the time of making this video, CX margin trading is only available on the web version. You can access it via your mobile browser or your PC. If you don't have a CX account yet, use the link in the description to sign up. Just before I forget, I'd like to inform you that we have a VIP Signal group, and in this group, we don't only share signals, we also provide you with necessary tutorials that will help you improve your trading game. The access fee is $200 only, but I'm offering a whooping 75% discount for only 50 people. That means you can join today for only $50. Once we are able to hit 50 members, the discount automatically ends. Reach out to me on Telegram to secure your spot. Now, let us dive into the practical aspect of today's video. To get started with trading the margin market on CX.io, all you have to do is to use my link in the description of this video to sign up or if you already have an account, simply visit the website and click on sign in. Right, after you've been able to sign in with your details, you can click on add funds if you don't have any cryptocurrencies in your margin account. Right, so here you are going to find different networks where you can use to make deposits. We have Ethereum, Tron, we have Binance Smart Chain, and we have Solana. When I made a deposit, I was basically using Solana. Once you are done with deposits, all you have to do is to come here to the trading interface. Right, so here we have various cryptocurrencies. If you click on the left hand side of your screen, you are going to see various cryptocurrencies you can trade right on the margin markets. So you can just search which cryptocurrency you want to go for. I want to go for BCH USDT, so I'm going to click BCH, which is short for Bitcoin Cash. And then the next thing you have to do, okay, currently you can see that I have a trade, and the trade has given me 24% profit already. So this 24% profit you are seeing 124, it simply shows that the other part, which is 100, is my initial capital, and the 24 is my profits. So now I basically tried navigating through this platform in order to be able to understand this, so I can make a video that will help you trade on the margin markets. Right, so I had to initiate this trade yesterday, and for the purpose of this video I was using just $4.5. So now I'm just going to show you how to initiate trades and how this leverage of a thing really works. So after you are done with the analysis, or maybe you are given a signal to trade any cryptocurrency, all you have to do is to come here, select the trading pair that you are given or the trading pair you want to analyze. Once you are done with the analysis, you head over to this side, so you can see that we have leverage ranging from 1x to any amount. You can basically drag it, or you can just edit this place and type whatever amount of leverage you want to use. Right, so after you are done with that, the next thing you want to do is to impute the price of which you want to trade. Right, if you allow it to be on market, you will not be given the opportunity to impute any desired price. But if you change it to trigger is more like a limit. Right, this you can actually set a limit order, or you can use a market order. So trigger price basically means the price when you want to buy the cryptocurrency, or when you want to long or short the cryptocurrency, while market simply means that you don't have to change or edit the price. The system is just automatically going to pick the best price at the moment and initiate your trade. So I think I want to go for market for the purpose of this video, and I will now choose how many leverage I want to use, or I will just select my balance. Right, so my balance has shown me the amount of BCH equivalent I'm going to be getting for this particular transaction, and then I'm now going to choose how many leverage I want to use. If I want to use 10x, if I want to use 5x, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to click, I want to use 10x basically. Then the next thing I want to do is to click on open long. Right, so this 10x with 4.5 USDT simply means that I'm using $45, right? Because it is 4.5 multiplied by 10. So if you have $100 and you are using 10x leverage, it simply means that your money is going to be multiplied by 10, which is going to give you $1,000. After you've been able to use a leverage to initiate a trade, if, let's say for instance, the price of any cryptocurrency after you have initiated a trade has appreciated by 10%, that 10% is also going to be multiplied by the amount of leverage you have used to initiate that particular trade. So if the coin, right, on its own has done 10%, that simply means that is already 100% profit for you. Okay, so if the coin draws 1%, that is 10% profit for you. let's say for instance, at the time of making this video, the price of BCH is currently 524, and 5% of 524, let's quickly check that. 524 multiplied by 10%, you can see that it's going to be an additional 52. So if 52 is being added to 524, that means if BCH gets to 576, if BCH gets to 576, your $1,000 must have given you 2x. Do you get? So your $1,000 has now given you 100%. So now that your 100% is, your $1,000 has become $2,000, right? You see how easy it is to flip from $100 to $3,000 within a very short period of time. So now I'm just going to click on open long. Then this is what is involved. Type market amount. This is the amount of BCH, leverage 10x, required margin is 4.48, and this is the fee. So this is the fee that CX.io is charging me to lend me an extra amount of money to be able to make trades on this platform. So if I click on open long, I've been able to initiate the trade. So the trade has been placed and it is open. This way you are going to see the margin level. So on accounts where the margin level has dropped to, like, maybe it is 50% in red, or let's say like 0%. If it gets to 0%, that simply means that you've lost everything and your account is going to be liquidated, right? So if you are in profit, you're also going to see the amount. So this one that I am in profit, you can see that I'm in the profit of 18. I'm in the profit of 18. So 100% is basically my own initial capital, while anything added to the 100% is the profit I have made from this particular trade. I hope this is simple enough, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to set your take profit and your stop loss. But before we call it a wrap, let me show you how to close trades. So we have various means of closing trades, and to do that you can just come here and click on close position, and the system will take the available best market price and close that particular trade for you. So just not to miss out on the next video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notification so you get notified once the video is up, and make sure you give me a like. If you have any question, let us chat in the comments below. If you are yet to join our Telegram channel, use the link in the description of this video to join our Telegram channel for free trading tips, free trading signals, crypto updates, job opportunities, and lots more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.